Okay, so this is question number 6. Let me write the question down. The radius of each circle in the rectangle WXYZ is given to be as 7 cm. The circles fit exactly in the rectangle. Now we are asked to show that the area of the rectangle is 2352 cm squared. Now if you see the image, you got circles given like this. Okay, now all these circles are actually connected. Okay, so they are touching each other. Okay, now the diameter, I want to find out the diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times the radius is given as 7, so this is equal to 14 cm. This is the diameter of the circle. Now to get the length, if I were to take this as L and this as W, the total length is going to be the diameter of this circle plus diameter of this plus diameter of this plus diameter of this, isn't it? So the length of the rectangle is equal to, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 circles, and each diameter is of length 14 units. So 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 1s are 4, 5, 56 cm. L is what? 56 cm. Now the width is equal to how many circles? 1, 2, 3 circles, and each diameter, the circle's diameter is 14 units. So 3 4s are 12, 1 3 1s are 3, 42 cm. So the area of the rectangle is equal to length into width. The length is 56, width is 42. So let us multiply 56 times 42. 6 2s are 12, 1, 5 2s are 10, 11, 6 4s are 24, 2, 5 4s are 20, 21, 22. This is 2, 5, 3, 2. So 2352 cm squared. This is the area. Now we have to check the area given. See the area given, 2352 cm squared. So we are asked to show this, and we have shown this. So hence proved. You can write that statement. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, this is the next question. They're asking us to find the area of the shaded region. Now go to the image. Now they are asking to get this area. You see, these are the gaps here, right? Now we need to get the area of these gaps. These are all shaded. So for that, area of the shaded region is nothing but from the area of the rectangle, you take away the area of the circles. We know the area of the rectangle, so we need to get the area of the circle. So area of the circles, how many circles are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 circles are there, multiplied by the area, pi r squared. Now r is equal to 7 units, that's given in the question. So this is 12 pi times 7 squared, which is nothing but 12 pi times 49. So we have to multiply. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write pi as 22 over 7, and this is 49. 7 divides 49 7 times. 7 times 12 is 84, and I need to multiply with 22. So 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s 2 is 16. This is 8, 14, 1848 cm squared. This is the area. Okay, so therefore the required area is nothing but 2352 minus 1848. So let me subtract that. 2352 1848. What do I get? 10. You borrow 1, you get 12. From 12 you take away 8, you get 4. This will be 0. This is 13, so you get 5. So required area is 504 cm squared. Okay, that's the answer to this question. Okay, this is the next question. We are actually given a triangle. Let me draw that triangle. Okay, so this is M and P. This is 52 degrees. This is also 52 degrees. This is 12.5 cm. Now they are asking us state the type of the triangle. So the solution is this is the answer. Solution. Now since angle M is equal to angle P is equal to 52 degrees, we have two angles, like angles, right? So this means triangle PNM is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so because two angles are same, that's the reason it's isosceles. Next, they are asking us to determine the angle PNM. PNM, so they need this. So angle PNM is equal to 180 degree minus angle P plus angle M, which is equal to 180 degree minus. I need to add these two angles. They are 52, 52, right? So this is going to be 180 minus 104 if you add these two things. So this is going to give me 76 degrees. So angle PNM is 76 degrees. That's the solution. Now they are asking us to get the area. Calculate the area of M and P. Now this distance is 12.5. Okay. Now if this distance is 12.5, this distance will also be 12.5 because the triangle is isosceles. And this angle is given as 76 degrees. So area of M and P is equal to half times 12.5 multiplied with 12.5 multiplied with sine of 76 degrees. Okay, so you will have to use your calculator and get this value. So if you were to do that, the value is going to be 75.8 cm squared. So that's the solution for this question.